Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. My name's Ryan. I do a lot of stock market videos. Today's video, I'm going to break down how I was able to profit $248 yesterday. My wife, Sam, is also on the channel. She does a lot of affiliate marketing videos. So if this is the first time you've ever watched one of our videos or been to the channel, we would invite you to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll stay up to date and interact with us in the future. So like I said, today's video, we're going to break down how I was able to profit $248 yesterday in the stock market, kind of what I saw in the patterns and the commodities that I trade. And so I saw natural gas looking overextended. Okay, you can see the breakout it had. This was over the weekend. It broke out and then it had another up day, so it looked very overextended from the overall pattern. I'm having to keep my eye on Jacob. He's behind me playing around. So it had an up day, a breakout over the weekend, and then it had another update. It looked very overextended for the pattern. So I was playing natural gas to go down, and as you can see, we've sold off since yesterday. So let me pop up the picture. Okay, so that's my profits yesterday. It was $248.98. I'm actually currently down on my new position right now. I actually bought this bounce here, and I knew it could sell off a little bit further, but I thought it may happen overnight with a bounce pre-market, and it may be doing that now, or getting close to that mark. So got a pretty decent buying price on natural gas going up, so probably just going to hold onto my position and wait for the recovery. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, if this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, Sam and I would invite you to subscribe to the channel. We're wanting to really build our YouTube community and interact with everybody here on YouTube. If you already trade in the markets, I wish you, a green day in the markets. I hope you're profitable. See you next time. Take care.